I'm so thankful I have all these items for my birthday. But what is most important thing for me is to spend time with my family members. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My channel is about handbag, SLG and jewelry reviews that I purchase regardless of brand or price, as I personally love items that are well made, good quality, value for money and suit my lifestyle. Today, as you can see here, I have quite many items here. This is what I have for my birthday. I wouldn't say it's unboxing. Let me share with you each item, how I got it. I do not get this item all in one day or in one go. I have collected this in few months. Some of it comes so much earlier and some of it much later. Let me put all this aside first. And this Cartier, I got it before the price increased. This is the forever piece that will be in my collection. I did have a video for this. I'll link this up above. That is it worth getting a Cartier piece. You can watch that video if you missed that video. Let me open up and show you what I have here, but I believe that you will already know if you follow me on my Instagram, which I also link below. Let me open up and see. So I'll show you. There you go. This one is the diamond necklace in a small. I can wear this alone or either I can layer it. And I love this so much because this is a very dainty piece kind of jewelry. So if not, I can also still layer it. This will be forever in my collection. Second birthday gift that I got myself is this one. Guess what is this? I received this about 1 month ago as well. So therefore, I have to open up to check if the item is in good condition and all these things before the return policy timeline due. So they have only 14 days of return policy. So therefore, I have no choice, but I have to open it up to check. This is a belt from Gucci. The belt from Gucci, if you all realize, the belt from Gucci for female and male are almost the same. I did check in the website. Actually, for male and for female is about the same. The double G logo, I saw it a lot, of course, in females section. The male section, they have the same thing, exactly almost the same thing as well. So actually, for belt, not just Gucci per se, even for other brands, Hermes and all these things, I understand that they can actually, it is unisex. So even the H belt for Hermes and all these things, it is a unisex thing. The lady does have that as well. So therefore, actually, you can kind of share belt if you, if you don't share with your husband and all these things. But I got this, so I like it so much. This is not in the ladies line, but it's actually in the men's line. Let me open up and show it to you. This is 3 cm. So you see, this is the one I got. The sticker is still on here. You still have the sticker here. This is gold and silver mixed metal, and the leather is calf leather. This is 3 cm. This is gold and silver. I have not removed the plastic, and you can see here, but it is quite shiny. Yeah, it is very shiny. Without removing the plastic, you can see it's very shiny as well. I do not remove the plastic first, I remove it later. But this is a mixed metal of gold and silver. I did not want to get the double G one, which is very common, and this is something different, so that I can wear this with my jeans and also actually with dress, but I prefer to wear it with my jeans. So this is 3 cm. This is 3 cm, and this is a mixed metal. I'm so glad I got this from this Rulala website, and I thank Mel from Melbourne who actually highlighted this to us. She highlighted that I got this, then I managed to get this at a discount. This is one of it. The other thing I have actually is this Lily Silk. Let me open up and show you what I have inside. Yeah, this is their pajamas. This is the short one in shorts and the short pajamas that I have here. This one, And I got this quite a while back as well. This is also during the sale. I got it during the sale. So I have also opened up and actually checked the item inside. I have not really used it yet because I got this is actually for my birthday as well. It's really nothing better than a good night's sleep. Let me open up and show you. So this is the one that is the short sleeve one. This is the short sleeve one. You can see here. And also this comes with a short. This is in size M. I do have really silk pillowcase and it really helps me and not so hot when, especially when I sleep, and really help me when for my hair, that I have less breakage for my hair. So therefore I get this to give a try for these pajamas and see how it goes before I actually get another one. It's so hot here and at times I couldn't sleep the next day for my work. So therefore I need a silk pajamas to really, especially when it's hot weather. Even I on the aircon and all those things, sometimes in the middle of the night it's very, very cold. And so even I off it really, then it will be hot. I really need these pajamas. I understand that silk is suitable for all type of weather. I have this as well. I have opened up this one. Actually, I have unboxed this. I got this from Sephora using my store credit for that. I like this because it is very, very subtle and it is not very, very shiny. I do not want that one where it is very, very shiny, and I just want something that is very subtle and yet have some highlight to it. And also watch some YouTube and little reviews, and a lot of people mention that this is very, very subtle. Trying this, I'm not sure how good is this, but this pack is very, very nice. It's very, very soft kind of one. It's good for toiletry, travel toiletry, although it's not light, but it's still, you know, this is I would say this, and it is very, what the closure is also is very smart. It's just like a zip. It's not a zip, in fact a press. You just press it and it closes. So and you can put your toiletries for travel and all these things. It's a very smart packaging here. So, and this brand Fresh, I do have the Fresh perfume, roll-on perfume, which is very, very nice. I love it so much. It's so fresh. It's really, it smells of rose as well. So this is deep hydration oil infused serum. This is serum. My face is very, very dry at certain part and a bit oily at certain part. It's a combination skin. So this is a travel set that I will try first. And this is the soya face cleanser that that is for face wash. And this is the deep hydration face cream. And this one, last one that I have, this is rose face mask. So this is a travel pack which I actually ordered together with Sephora. So let me try this out first. I'm not sure whether it suits my skin or not. Therefore, I get a travel pack before I actually get a big size for this one. Lastly, guys, this is the biggest gift I have for myself, and I am so glad. I'm so glad that I have this, and this is my first Chanel piece 2 days before my birthday, which I never thought I would get it anyway. When I went to the store before the lockdown, they literally have nothing much. So I saw this design, but it's in some other color, not the color that I want. So after the lockdown, which is 3.5 months later, I went to the store again. I told my SA that I'm coming in and asked her to let me know if she have any item. But she did not let me know. She said that there's no stock for everything, most of the thing that I requested. So I just walked in that day. Not really walk in. I told her that I'm coming in. I told her in the morning I'm coming in afternoon. So I went in, and actually then she's having her break. I mean, I have to wait for her after her break. I waited almost about half an hour or 40 minutes after her break, and you know, outside. And I mean, I went elsewhere first, then I came back, then you know, I waited again for almost half an hour before I can go in, because there is very strict queue system and number of people inside the boutiques. And I'm not sure why even that day there's so many people, even it's just a weekday, it's not a weekend. I do have this in my wish list, but in the first place I never thought that I would get it so soon. So I thought I won't get it later, but nevertheless, it comes through. Okay, let's not talk so much and let me open up and show you. This is not a real unboxing. I have already unboxed and checked it actually in the store. So, and it comes with all the tissue paper and all these things, which I has also removed all the tissue paper when I come back. There you go, guys. The tissue I already removed and I checked everything with, therefore actually it looks so plain, and actually it wraps up with all the tissue when I came back. So let me open up and show you. Then here you go, guys. Look at this. Let me take out this paper bag. There you go. This is my Chanel 19 in small. They call it small. Actually it's a medium size. They do not have a small. This is considered a small size. Let me take out the flap and show you. I still have the sticker on here, so just, this is H Gold hardware, and this is also here is H Gold hardware as well. So let me take out this. There you go. Here, isn't it nice? It is so nice. Actually it's very shiny. This black is very shiny. It is lambskin and it is very shiny. In fact, she took out the new one for me, the lambskin, I mean in black as well, but it looks very grayish. Even if she told me it's black, but when she thought it's a lighting part as well, I mean the lighting in the boutique as well, but when we compare this one and that one, yeah, she told me this is so much darker, and also so much glossier compared to that one. That one is a bit like gray, you know? Totally kind of different thing, although it's the same lambskin. And this is a new stock. When they just opened up the store just 1 week ago or so, then they received this stock. So this one of it. Let me show you the side part of it, the overall of the bag, the top part of it, the side, and the back part of it. And this one is with magnetic closure at the back, of course. And you can put a phone here. It's very convenient, and it is very functional. This bag is very functional. I heard a lot of YouTubers shared that this bag is very functional. It is not as structured as this classic flap, therefore it is very functional, and it only has one flap. So let me open up and show you. It has just a fabric line and one compartment. That's all, and zip pocket behind. That's all actually, yeah. So, and they do have this right now they do have this chip here. And this chip, for your information, I was told by my SA, this is just a replacement for the authenticity card. It's nothing more than that. It's not a chip that will record the purchase, the buyer's information whatsoever. This chip is just a replacement of the authenticity card. Nothing more than that, as far as I was told by her. So in fact, I thought that I need to register whatsoever, but she said no, this is nothing more than that. It's just a replacement of the authenticity card. But of course, when you bring it to the Chanel, they will know whether the bag is a fake or not a fake bag, because perhaps maybe with the card, a lot of people can fake the card. I mean, I think so they do away with the card, if I'm not wrong. My guess is if they do away the card, it's because maybe the card is easier, it's even more easier to fake than the chip. So they replace it with the chip. So when they replace with the chip, maybe it is slightly difficult to fake it. I'm not sure. So this is my thought. If you have any information, you can leave it down. And when I went to the store earlier before the lockdown, they have this one. It's also Chanel 19, but it's in navy blue. It's in navy color, navy blue. So my my wish is to get a black color, not a navy color. I nearly want to get that, but I was thinking I want to wait first and see how. So when I went to the store after the lockdown, 3.5 months, they also have this, but this is a new stock and they have in the color that I want, and therefore I kept thinking about it, and should I wait for the caviar classic? I still love a caviar classic or a mini caviar in caviar, but I was thinking, should I get this first, because this is also one of it in my wish list. But I was thinking, okay, never mind, since they also have price increase for this and also have price increase for the classic small and price increase for everything in Chanel, so let me get this first. So, and and therefore I actually got this. I'm so happy I got this. I will get a bag organizer. I have ordered a bag organizer from Somuni to put inside. I need a bag organizer, and perhaps I'm not sure whether do I still need a base shaper, base shaper, because of course it's very soft, but it's best to store it with something inside and have some structure to it. For the new Chanel, I was told all the items that we bought, I think so is this year onwards or whatsoever, all the warranty is 5 years. 5 years warranty, which is good. So yeah, I'm so glad that I got this. Although I still love the classic and I love the mini on caviar, but perhaps I may want to get that in other colors, see how it goes. Since let me see how it goes for that. I may want to get in some other different color. Since I really have a black one, let me see how it goes. Okay. And I believe this is 26 cm here. You can fit a lot of things. Even more so after a so long lockdown, almost for 3.5 months. So this is all nice to have, but to spend time with my family members, that I have nice dinner with them, and my sis bought me the cake and they sang me the birthday song, and my niece and my nephew are with me, and my family members, my dad, my sis, my hubby are with me. I'm so glad and so thankful for that. These are very nice to have, but to spend time with the family members, even more so now, that lockdown, that we cannot travel, inter-district travel and all these other things, is even more so that we have to cherish the time we have with our family members. So I'm really thankful that this birthday the lockdown is lifted up slightly, not a lot, I mean, but still the gathering, we can't gather very big group, very big group, but at least we still can have dinner and spend time together. This is the most important thing. Spending time with the loved one is so much more, is so much more valuable than all these kind of things. So I hope you like this video, and do let me know if you have any questions. I will surely update you of all the wear and tears that I have for the items that I have here, some of it here, and some of it of course I have already wore it, but then again, all this will be my statement and forever piece in my collection. And thank you very much for watching, and I see you again. Bye.